Here we're going to install the L-Joint Clamp on the electric fence. The wire's coming down from that top one. Just grab it here and put a bend in it. This one coming up. Bend that over. And we're ready to put the clamp on. Just put the clamp along on the fence wire first. And do the nut up a little bit. And it's ready to thread these two wires through. Slide it along to where we want it. Pull the wires. It's important to always clamp or crimp where you join these wires together so you get a very good connection. And just so it's nice and firm, those wires can't move. Now, a way to finish it off and make it look nice and tidy is to wrap the wires off. So you can just that lazy loop in that, hold it there, wrap that wire around. Doesn't really matter how many times. Break that one off, and then do the same with the second wire. That gives it a smooth, nice, tidy finish.